Neroca beat Trau FC 3-1 in Innaugral Durand thereby. Manipur enjoy a state-declared half-holiday on Thursday to commemorate the most festive occasion that evoke passion in this enchanted lands. A gritty game of football, the exotic Loken thereby, where Neroca FC defeated Trau FC 3-1 was played out in front of Jampek Stadium. A huge number of fans turned up to witness the inaugural match play in Imphaal's Kumalampak Stadium, and the 6 p.m. kick-off had a run-up which witnessed traffic congestion in the city from as early as 2 p.m. A large number of people were seen gathering outside the venue in the lead-up, and the field stands erupted in exhilarations when Neroca FC Nigerian forward John Sidi Uzodinma netted the final goal on the back of a defense error. Those who missed out didn't hide their disappointment. Many fans were left gasping for tickets which were sold out a day before the inaugural match. What's the point of declaring the day as half holiday when many of the fans did not get tickets to witness the game? Lamented and Bisorjit, a football fan and resident of Iroisemba Imphal West District. The Kuman Main Stadium, where the inaugural match was played, has a capacity of only 25,000, heaving its embarrass of those who managed to get in. It could not obviously accommodate passions of the football mad state. Tangba Ragui had put the Orange Brigade of Neroca ahead in the 16th minute, only for Trau's Komron Tursonov to equalize 3 minutes later, but thereafter Neroca did not leave foot off the pedal as Tommy headed in the 36th minute to reclaim the lead. Before the 50-minute cherry on the top from the Nigerian star, the stadium had pulsated after Neroca netted goal 16 minutes into the match. While many of the ticket holders were seen still trying to get into the stadium, I bought at ₹100 ticket and have been waiting to get into the stadium for several minutes even after the match started, but I'm unable to do so. I'm told by the security at the gate that the stadium is already full, said Bungo, a resident of Top Lairak, Imphal East District. Colorful opening. Prior to the inaugural match, a colorful display of culture and dance band display as well as Durand Cup theme songs from iconic Papon and the Reuben Masangba enthralled the Jampek audience till the arrival of Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, a former footballer and GOC of Eastern Command were among the dignitaries attending the match. The Defence Ministers lauded the development of the region, known amongst the things for its sporting pedigree and football fandom. The Durand Cup is Asia's oldest and world's third oldest football tournament and carries a legacy of being organized by the Indian Armed Forces for over 100 years. Since the inaugural edition in Simla in 1888, when it started off as an army cup open only to the British Indian Army troops in India, the Durand Cup has been open to civilian teams, with waxing and waning interest over the years from the leading sides of the day. Named after its founder, Mortimer Durand, who served as Foreign Secretary of British India from 1884 to 1889. The iconic tournament reached its 130th edition in 2021. Moham Bagan and East Bengal have been the most successful teams, winning the tournament 16 times each. The Durand Cup's entry into the Northeast Trau was like homecoming for football in a part of the country that nurses the sport at its grassroots and was graced by the Defence Minister. The Derby Dawn, the next match in Imphal, will be held on August 20 at Main Stadium Kumalampak, with Chennaiyan FC taking on Army Red at 3 p.m. Two teams will make their first appearance in the tournament as the Kerala Blaster take on Sudeva FC on Delhi at the Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium in Guwahati.